We are going to look at the Vibrance and Saturation sliders and what the difference between them is. They are found in the Develop module, under the Basic panel in Lightroom. Saturation affects all colors in the image equally, regardless of natural saturation. Moving the slider to the right will increase saturation, to the point where the colors become unnatural and some detail may get lost. Moving to the left decreases the saturation until all color has gone, and we have a black and white, or monochrome image. Vibrance enhances colors in the image relative to their natural saturation, whilst trying to avoid clipping colors by oversaturation, where details become lost. Moving the slider to the right will increase the vibrancy of colors. Moving to the left decreases vibrancy until there is very little color left, but not completely monochrome as with saturation. With a copy of the same image, we will see the effects of vibrancy on the left versus saturation on the right, with the same amount of each applied. Vibrance is biased towards greens and blues. Watch how it has a greater effect in an image with those colors than in an image where orange, red, and yellow are more prominent. To boost color in a photo, it is advised to use more vibrance before using saturation, or even enhance a particular color from the color mixer panel. It is noteworthy that when the Auto button is used, Lightroom favors increasing vibrance instead of saturation. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.